Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video I had started class 9th Harish Agrawal book exercise 1G on which I had already solved question number 5. Now in this video I am start to, from question number 6 which is asked if a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 find the values of. First question is a के power b plus b के power a whole के power minus 1 given a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Here base is a, then putting value of a is 3 and exponent is b, then put the value of a is 2 and value of b equal to 3. Put the value of a 2 which is base and put the value of b which is exponent 3 bracket plus value of b is put 3 and value of a is 2 which is minus, then solve it, then it become 2 के power 3, the value of 2 के power 3 is 8 and plus 3 के power 2 is 9 power minus 1, it's become 17 के power minus 1, it's equal to 1 upon 70. When power is the in exponent is in minus, then we change the numerator and denominator. So another question is a के पावर a plus b के पावर b whole के पावर minus 1. Value of a is you know that 2 which is the base and value of a is 2 and exponent plus value of b is 3 and exponent is also b. Then it's become 2 के power 2 is value of 2 के power 2 is 4 plus value of 3 के power 3 is 9. Then it's become 13 की power minus 1 and changing the numerator and denominator because exponent is given in negative, so it's become 1 upon 13. Sorry friends, I had put the value of 3 के power 3 is 9 which is value of 3 के power 3 is 27, so it's become 31, and in this it's become 1 upon 31. And another question is simplify 81 upon 49 के power minus 3 upon 2. First we change the numerator and denominator because exponent is given in a minus, so write 49 upon 81 के power 3 by 2. Then we find the square root of 49 के power 81, then it become root 49 के power 81 power by 3. Then when you find root of 49 and 81, then it came 7 upon 9 के power whole cube. Value of 7 upon 9 के power 3 is 343 upon 729. Another question is that 14,641 के power 0.25. First we change the decimal into the fraction form, so write 14,641. so how many digits after point? 2 digits, so we write 1 and after 00 because 2 digit came after points. So simplify, when you simplify then it came 1 upon 4, and when you factorize 14,641 then it came 11, then it came 11 into 11 into 11 11 to power 1 by 4. Can you write 11 के power 4 whole के power 1 by 4 and using identity a के power m whole के power n equal to a के power m into n, so using 11 के power 4 into 1 by 4 then it came only 11, Another question is that 32 upon 243 के पावर माइनस 4 upon 5. So first we factorize the 32 and 243. When you factorize 32, then it's came 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and when you factorize 243, then it's came 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 power minus 4 by 5. Then you change the it is power given in minus form, then you change the numerator and denominator. When you change numerator, then 3 which is the denominator, it's become numerator, and upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 4 upon 5. Write 3 के पावर 5 3 upon 2 के पावर 5 into 4 upon 5. I am using identity directly, so it's become 3 upon 2 के पावर 4, and it's become 81 के पावर 16. First, another question is that 7776 upon 243 के power 3 by 5. First, we factorize 7776 and 243. When you factorize, then it's came 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and upon when you factorize 243, it's came 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 power 3 by 5. You see that 5 times 3 came in factorization of 7770. So first we cut this 5 times 3, it's then it's become 2 के power 5 whole के power 3 by 5. using identity a के power whole के power n equal to a के power m into n, then its friends it's become 2 के power 5 into 3 के power 5. It's only came 2 के power 3, and it's become 8. Another question is that evaluate which is given 4 upon 216 के power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 256 के power minus 3 by 4 plus 2 upon 243 के power minus 1 by 5. First we factorize, so factorization of 216 is 6 into 6 into 6 के power minus 2 by 3. You can also take 2 and 3 plus 1 upon factorization of 256 is 2 into 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 2, and its power is minus 3 by 4, plus factorization of 243 is 5 times 3 power minus 1 by 5. First we become this minus 2 by 3 into positive form. So I say when you see here exponent is in negative, so change the numerator and denominator, so it become 4 upon, suppose its denominator is 1, so it's become 1 upon 6 into 6 into 6 power 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 1 upon 2 into 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 2 power 3 by 4 plus 2 upon 1 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 power 1 by 5. So after this write 4 into 6 into 6 into 6. This 6 into 6 is goes multiply into numerator, which is 4 power 2 by 3 plus 1 into this is also goes to multiply into numerator, which is 1. 2 into 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 2 power 3 by 4 plus another, it is also multiply 2 into 5 times 3, and this is 5 times 2 power 1 by 5. So what you can write, 6 की power 3, 4 into 6 की power 3 whole की power 2 by 3 plus 1 into 2 की power 8 whole की power 3 by 4 plus 2 into 3 की power 5 whole की power 1 by 5. using identity a के power n whole की power n equal to a की power m into n. So I am solve directly. So it's become 6 की power 3 whole की power 2 की power 3 become 6 की power 3 into 2 की power upon 3 plus 1 into 2 की power 8 into 3 की power 3 upon 4 plus 2 into 3 की power 5 into 1 upon 5. So simplify this 3 cut and this 4 to 8 it's cut and this. So it's become 4 into 6 की power 2 and plus this cut 1 into 2 की power 6 plus 2 into 3 की power 1. Simplify, value of 4 into 6 की power 2 is 6 की power 2 is value of 36 and value of 4 into 6 की power 2 is 144 plus value of 2 की power 6 is 64 plus 2 into 3 value of 3 की power 1 is 3 and when you multiply 2 into 3 it came 6. Multiply 4 into 36 it came 144 plus when you multiply 1 into 64 it came 64 plus 6 it's become 214. Another question is that 64 upon 125 exponent minus 2 by 3 plus 256 upon 625 for exponent minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 7 exponent power 0. So first we factorize 64, so it's become 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 upon 5 into 5 into 5 equal to minus 2 by 3 plus simplified factorize 256 it's become 2 into 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 2 upon 625 given. Factorization of 625 is power minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by upon 7 power 0. First we change the numerator and denominator or reciprocal because power is given in minus form. So when you reciprocal it become 5 into 5 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 2 by 3 plus and this 2 is 8 times, so you can write 2 की power 8 upon this 5 is 4 times, then it become 5 की power 4 whole की power is given, sorry we reciprocal plus, so it's become 5 के पावर 4 upon 2 के पावर 8 होल के पावर 1 by 4 plus 3 upon 7 के पावर 0. So what can you write 5? It's become 5 के पावर 3 equal to 2 के पावर 6 होल के पावर 2 by 3 प्लस 5 के पावर 4 अपॉन 2 के पावर 8 होल के पावर 1 by 4 प्लस you know that value of a के पावर 0 is 1, so we put this value 1. Friends, you know that formula, if its given value is given a upon b e के पावर m then you can write a upon b whole के power n. So here whole power is 2 by 3. Can you write in this form? So it become 5 के power 3 whole के power 2 by 3 upon 2 के power 6 whole के power 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4. You can also apply this whole के power 1 by 4 upon 2 के power 8 whole के power 1 by 4 plus 1. By this using identity a के power m whole के power n equal to a के power m into n. So apply this in numerator and denominator both. So it's become 5 के power 3 into 2 के power 3 upon 2 के power 6 into 2 upon 3 plus 5 के power 4 into 1 by 4 upon 2 के power 8 into 1 by 4 plus 1. So when you simplify, this 3 cuts and this 4 cuts and this it cuts 2 times, 3 2 just 6 and this cuts 2 times. So it's become 5 के power 2 upon 5 के power 2 upon 2 के power 4 plus, so and it's become 5 के power 1 upon 2 के power 2 plus 1. Value of 5 के power 2 is 25 and value of 2 के power 4 is 16 plus value of 5 के power 1 is, you know that 5 value of 2 के power is 4 plus 1. Taking LCM of 4 and 16 and 1 is, you know that 16 came, so it's become 25 plus it's become 20 plus it's become 16 and add this becomes 61 upon 16. This is the answer of this question. And another question is that 81 upon 16 के exponent minus 3 by 4 bracket close bracket open 25 upon 9 के power minus 3 by 2 divide by 5 upon 2 के power minus 3. So first write 81 by 16 minus 3 by 4 bracket and write you see that exponent is came minus. When exponent came in minus, you reciprocal of numerator and denominator. So it's become 9 upon 25 के power 3 by 2 divide by in also 5 upon 2 minus 3 is the exponent, so you also reciprocal of 2 and the 5, so it's become 2 upon 5 के power 3. So in this also the power is minus, so you also reciprocal of 81 and the 16, so it becomes 60 upon 81 के power 3 by 4 divide by, can you write the 3 upon 5 का होल स्क्वायर होल की पावर 3 by 2 डिवाइड 2 upon 5 की पावर 3 ब्रैकेट क्लोज. So can you write the 16 into 2 के पावर 4 upon 3 के पावर 4 होल की पावर 3 by 4 and this came applying the identity a के power m के whole के power n equal to a के power m into n. So write 3 के power 5 power whole के power 2 into 3 by 2 divide by 2 upon 5 के power 3. So you also write 2 के power 4 in 3 के power 4. It's c in this form a के power m b के power m equal to a upon b power m. This c in this form. So you can write I am write directly 2 upon 3 के power whole के power 4 into 3 by 4 bracket, and when you simplify this cuts and this become 3 upon 5 के power 3 divide by 2 upon 5 के power 3. This force is also cut, so it's become 2 upon 3 के power 3 bracket 3 upon 5 के power 3 divide by 2 upon 5 के power 3. Here bracket is multiply, when you open bracket it's become 3 upon 5 के power 3 divide, when you change the divide symbol then it can multiply and you reciprocal, then it become 5 upon 2 के power whole cube, 5 upon 2 के power whole cube. So first change this 2 के power 3 in this form, right? 3 के power 3 into 3 के power 3 upon 5 के power 3 into 5 के power 3 upon 2 के power 3. First simplify this 2 के power 3 cut, this 2 के power 3, this 3 के power 3 cut, this, and finally answer is 1. Another question is that 25 का exponent 5 के power 5 upon 2 into 729 के power 1 by 3 upon 125 का exponent 2 by 3 into 27 का exponent 2 by 3 into 8 का exponent 4 by 3. First we factorize 25, 7 and 29 this form. First factorize 25, 5 into 5 के power 5 by 2 it become into factorize 7 and 29. This came 3 के power 6 or 3 के power 9 into 9 के power 1 by 3. You can also write 3 के power 6. Then it's become 125. You write factorize 5 into 5 के power 2 by 3 into